Hi everyone, Luke Poutum here. Today I'm going to show you how to get out of the hospital and escape hospital lobby. Let's get started. Right now we are in the ventilation system. Jump over these lasers and take you to this room. Let's see, what are we going to do? Walk over the balance beam without falling. That would be very bad. Else people will get mad. Alright. Screen recording saved to videos. Well, okay. Don't worry about it. Ooh, smoke. Don't touch it. Alright. Get out of here. Let's get into this room. Yes! I did it! Uh-oh, the man just set a lot of traps. We gotta be careful. Yeah. Let's take the elevator and get out of here. Oh man, it was blocked. We gotta use the fire exit. Uh-oh, there's some steam. You can't touch it. Uh-oh, there's more steam. Let's go. Yeah, cleared off. Perfect time. Right, we're at the pool. Let's go. Push the button, and then we get out of here. Yes! I did it! Let's go. Yay. Uh-oh, the platforms, we're gonna get ready, because we're gonna touch some rusty ones that will fall. That is totally a problem when we escape the bowling alley. There's rusty platforms. Alright. Next area. This place. Alright. Jump over these things, but don't fall. And yeah, I want to get out of here. Yay! Man, it is so hot in this room. I'm jumping on platform to platform. Let's keep going without dying. And I hope everyone listens to me. What the? The lava got me. Darn it. The lava didn't listen. And by people listening to me, I mean obstacles trying not to kill me. That part I survived. These are not rusty platforms, FYI. It stands for your information. Alright. Jump on these things. Man, that part was difficult. I am going to climb up the ladder so that we can get out of here. Yes. Don't touch the light or you'll fall right through it and die. I fell! Darn it! Would you like to buy Pet Giant? No, thank you. I'm okay with buying things. Alright, let's go. Let's go. And come on, come on. Yes. Go away. We are going to go into an elevator. Oh, it takes a long time to escape because it has millions of floors, so it is going to take, trust me, a really long time. I died. Now it's going to take even longer because of that. Alright, you better not die. Alright, well, it's time to get ready for the long part. This is not going to go well. Just enjoy some music. Go away, I'm not in the mood. This is gonna take forever. Come Come on. Okay. Now that that's over, it's time to escape. Alright. Just up the ladder and we will be moving on. Yes. That part was not easy. Keep climbing up. I cannot bear a second in this place. Yes, we're in the vents again. Yeah, I fell. Now we're on another floor. And this is a creepy room. I do not like it here. Man. What? I made it to that platform. You can't just do that. And it happened again. Ah! Alright. A player vacuum does no good. Items that would help are like teleport items, hookshot items. I'd love it if this character would be Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Alright, enough with the singing, and not enough with the escaping. That helps. We're gonna be out of here in just seconds. This better not be a long elevator again. Yes, it's taking me up. And it didn't break like the last time. The vents, again. Uh-oh. I can see the exit. All we have to do is just climb the ladder, and then we'll be out. If you fall, then you have to take the long way. Oh, no. Now I have to walk all the way over to the exit. That hurts. Well, looks like no zip line. That just ruins the fun. Don't you hate when that happens? Fun getting ruined? 'Cause I do. Boo! Well, there's the surface. I'm just gonna do some jumps to make it quicker. This is just like Escape the Dungeon. The long walk home. Alright, there's the badge. Once we get it, we will be victorious. Yes, we escaped. Well done. Yay!